The best way of making success is ritual. Use your girlfriend for a ritual. Not use your mama, not use your sister. Use your girlfriend or use outsider. Now walk past. If you get.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video today, na about one video when I come across for Facebook. So those guys, they say they do Yahoo. Nobody want work again. Say they no want use their mama to do money again. Say make boys they use their girlfriend. I shock my people. And my mother not mind my voice, so my voice crack. I get cough. So as I see this video, the thing just like shockalize me. The guy say make boys not use their mama again to do money. Make they use their girlfriend. The thing shockalize me. What it can they happen for this world? Where did this world they turn it to? How can a guy go they advise a fellow boys, they say make they use their girlfriend till they do money? Like, where that kind of thing for they happen, my people? Not where person not go see for this social media. Sha. Your own girlfriend. Because we really see the one way make a girlfriend. Now this one's not constantly bring their own. Now wow. Not where person not go see for this social media, my people. Eh? Not where person not go see for this social media. How can a girl, a boys go to advise a fellow friends, say make their girlfriend till they do money so that make they see make they do all those ritual things, so they're going to use them till they do Yahoo. Because I don't hear say this Yahoo way that they do now. They go to point out for bad things till they get them. So now he can make this one now. Can't tell his own fellow men say make they use Yahoo till they like what did they happen for this world? What did this world they turn into, my people? Not the way person not go see for this social media. Sha. As I see this video, I say no, I don't feel stay without I not go do this thing. Eh? Girls, me una dey careful. I beg. I use God to beg una. Make una dey careful of those men there. Make una dey careful of those boys. Because wetin those boys go use una eye take see. Now una know, I go put the video more una see my people. Say boys they advise the fellow friends there. Make they use their girlfriend till they do money. Girls where they look for boys where they get money. Make una dey careful. Make una dey careful. It's not I have to speak the English. It's not be everything we dey glitter. Now it be gold though. Make una dey careful. Our boys of nowadays, no one want work again. Even the one where get hand work, no one work again. All of them want do Yahoo. Make una dey careful. Make una dey careful of those boys there. You understand? Una go just they carry BB car they waka. All of una eye go there, but una no know wetin they do behind. You understand? So una take careful, I beg. I use God to beg on our girls. Because these boys, I don't understand what they come over them. No one want work again at all. All of them want do Yahoo to get money. Make una dey careful. Our boys, make una dey careful. Make una dey careful. Our girls there, make una dey careful. For those boys who una go follow. Boys go just wake up in the morning say, na girls when they wanted they do money. Their own girlfriend though, they don't want to use their mama again. They now feel look this thing like joke, not be joke. They serious. If they're not this serious, they're not go talk. Yeah. Because boys of now, there's no one want even work with their hand work again. All of them, they look for fast money everywhere, fast money. When I'm not saying Yahoo Plus day. I see one that day. Somebody, one of my fans, now said that for me. My people, in case you get any topic, you must say for me a tell you now. In case you get any topic, you know, I want make I talk. More than they tell me. More than they write up for me for comments. I will drop my number. When I go out before WhatsApp, give me. Because some people, they send me some topic too. So this, I see some guys. Those ones, I know they put up for YouTube. They street, put their clothes. They eat their shit for public, for road. The one they shook out for a yansh, they lick them. All because of money. Now, what did they think that to tell them they can't do? I don't blame them because if you see look at me in a way, how our government, now they cause this thing, they don't want to give them work. Eh? How can a graduate not go get work for Nigeria? You not go get work. Then they cause all those problems. Eh? Graduates supposed to do work. No work. How they don't go they shook out for bad things, my people? Make una reason, mama. Eh? Then they cause all those problems. So, my darling people, if our government really provide work for our youth, I believe say armed robber go less. Because if they catch some armed robber, if they ask, they say, what did they do? You understand? Like, like the ones they say, you go school, you go see the one where they talk say, till you go say in a graduate. How can the graduates go to do armed robber, my people? Graduates go to do armed robber work. Don't be forced because they don't see work. You understand? Now they make all of the one go do Yahoo. So make una dey careful. Girls, Mona help me share this video. Because our guests need to learn from these things. They need to learn. They need to learn. And truth that they tell you now. Our guests of nowadays. You understand? Una need to learn. Una need to learn for all those things. You understand? So, my Ogbonge people, that's why I go talk this matter rich. Because my voice is still not clear. But I hope say, when I go understand what I talk. But now let me share the video. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
The best way of making success is ritual. Use your girlfriend for ritual. Not use your mama, not use your sister. Yeah. Use your girlfriend or use outsider. Now work fast.
Sharp.
If you get short plug, what you go happen?
To use that for ritual.
And if you get short plug, you know if you crazy.
Not be all ritualists, they all mad.
Down and show.
Now your plug no know what.
The answer. Correct.